MyShopify.com is marketed as an online store selling products at attractive prices through the Shopify platform. The website features promotional discounts and product images that may catch your attention, but the real question is, can you trust the store? Now, to be fair, Shopify is a legitimate e-commerce platform used by millions of businesses worldwide. However, simply being hosted on Shopify doesn't automatically make a store trustworthy. What it does well: easy online shopping. The website is straightforward to navigate, making it simple to browse products. Competitive pricing. Sales and promotional discounts can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart. A Shopify store isn't automatically trustworthy. Anyone can create a Shopify store, so it's important to evaluate the individual retailer rather than the platform itself. Limited store history. If the business is new or has little independent customer feedback, it can be difficult to assess its reliability. Product quality may vary. The items you receive may not always match the photos or descriptions shown on the website. So, should you buy from MyShopify.com? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you find a product you like and the store provides clear policies and responsive customer support, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the product photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.